I just finished an appointment pretty close to the intracoastal where the customer was asking us about the possibility of changing their irrigation system from a city water system to a well water system in an effort to save some money on the water bill. Well, I think we're a little too close to the intracoastal. Now, I'm not a well driller, so I can't tell her that for sure, but when my well driller does have a conversation with her, they'll probably come up to the same conclusion that we're a little too close to the water, to the salt water, to drill a well here. Either way, we have a solution for the city water system that's costing the customer too much money. They have an old Rainbird controller, and all of these nozzles are standard NPR nozzles. If we upgrade the nozzles to high efficiency nozzles, install a smart irrigation controller with a rain sensor, we could save them money right then and there. And I haven't even looked to see if there's broken pipes on the property, but that will be my next visit on the initial inspection. All right, on to the next appointment.